Next we are discussing fourth point. What is fourth point? If I take modulus of integration a to b fx into dx, this one modulus. So this one is always less than or equal to integration of a to b modulus of fx into dx. This will come. Okay, so this property I will explain by diagram. So there are many type of function possible. One function is what? Suppose fx is in terms of this one is there. Okay, so this is what y equal to fx. So if you want to find integration a to b fx dx, so this is what a1 and this is what a2. So we can say a2 is what negative and a1 is what positive. So according to this one, what we have? Modulus of a1 plus a2 modulus. So a1 here is what positive, a2 is what negative. So this area will go what? Less will come. Okay, because from a1 we have to subtract a2. Correct? Now modulus of fx. What is modulus of fx? So modulus of fx what? This will be same will come and this one will come in above. So this is what a1 and this is a2. So what is the modulus of fx integration a to b dx? So this will come what? a1 modulus plus a2 modulus. So you can see obviously a2 is negative but we are taking modulus, so this will come out in addition only will come. So we can say that this is always less than this one. Correct? See, for example, we can take, suppose this area is what? 6 and this area is what? 4. So according to this one, what will come? Modulus of 6 minus 4. And this one will come what? This is what? 6 and this is what? 4. So both are positive, so this will come what? Modulus of 6 plus modulus of minus 4. So this is what? 6 plus 4, 10 will come and this is what? 2 will come. So obviously we can say that this will be greater than this one. Okay. Next thing, where will come equalities? So for that what will come? If I have graph like that, integration a to b, na? This graph here. So here limit is what? A to b is here. And here is what? A to b. So here if I have function y equal to fx. So here x equal to a and x equal to b. So you can say this one will come out a1. Okay, so integration a to b fx dx modulus will come this one area a1. If you take modulus of fx, then same graph will come because a function is positive. If a function is positive, then same graph will come. So same graph will come. That means if you take this one also, here fx is what? Positive, so we can remove modulus. So this one integration a to b fx dx we can add. So this both value will come out same. And if I have this one x equal to a and x equal to b, this graph is y equal to fx. So this one area is what? A1. This one area is what? A1. So here this is below, so it is a negative. Okay. So here integration a to b fx dx what will come? Minus a1 will come. So this one what will come here? Minus a1 modulus. So this will come out a1. Now here a to b fx dx. Okay. So here modulus fx we have to find out first. So this will come out above will come, but area will come out same only. So this one graph what will come? Just I am drawing a to b. This graph will come out only above will come. So this one area will come out a1 only will come. Okay. So area will be same only. For this one area also what will come? A1 only will come. So you can say both are same. So here will come equalities. So when will come equalities? When fx is either completely positive or fx is completely negative. Then we will get what? Both are equal will come. But in some portion is negative and positive is there. So here is what? Positive and here is negative. In that case what will happen? This one right hand side is always greater than left hand side. If a function is coming negative and positive in both is coming, correct? Above y-axis is there and below y-axis is there. Then we will get what? Right hand side is what? Always greater than will come. Next we are discussing problem. Prove that modulus of integration 0 to 2 pi sin x dx is less than integration 0 to 2 pi modulus of sin x dx. And second problem is that prove that modulus of integration 0 to pi sin x dx equal to integration 0 to pi modulus sin x dx. So this one we have to prove. So from the diagram we can say easily. Okay, first thing sin x graph. Okay, so we have to take in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So 0 to 2 pi we can say this graph will come. This is 0, pi and this is 2 pi. Okay, and next graph we are doing modulus of sin x. So modulus of sin x graph in the interval 0 to 2 pi, what will come? This one, this one. So this is what 0 to pi and this is 2 pi. So this one y equal to modulus of sin x. This will come. Okay, so here integration 0 to pi, pi to 2 pi. Okay, so this one area is what a and this one area also will come what a. So here 0 to 2 pi sin x dx, this one integration what will become directly also we can do sin x integration what will become minus cos x. Limit is what 0 to 2 pi. Okay, modulus close. So what will come this one value? Modulus of, okay, so minus we can take comma, cos x, limit is 0 to 2 pi. So what will come here? Modulus of minus cos 2 pi is what? 1 minus cos 0 is what? 1. Modulus close. So this will come out 0. Next is what we are finding 0 to 2 pi modulus sin x dx. So this is a and this is a. So 0 to 2 pi modulus sin x dx is what? 2 times of a. So this will again 2 times of e. So what is a? Integration 0 to pi sin x dx. So this will come what? A equal to what will come? Sin x integration minus cos x, limit is what? 0 to pi. So a equal to what will come? Cos pi. So minus cos pi minus, if you put here 0, so what will come here? Minus cos 0. So cos pi is what? Minus 1. So a equal to what will come? Minus of minus 1. Minus minus plus cos 0 is what? 1. So this will come, a value is what will come? 2. Okay. So if I put a value here 2, so this will come out 4. Okay. So this one integration value is what? 0 and this one value will come 4. So obviously this is what? Greater than this one. Next thing is what? Modulus of integration 0 to pi sin x dx. Okay. So here we have to find out till here only. So integration 0 to pi, what will come? A. So this one area is what? A. Similarly 0 to pi modulus sin x dx. So 0 to pi only you have to check. So 0 to pi what graph is it? Till here to here. So here what is the area? A only. So this one value also A. So both will be same only value, A and A also. So here we can say that in this case we can say both are same. Next we are discussing inequalities in integration. Next we are discussing fifth point. Fifth point is what? If fx is less than equal to gx is less than equal to hx for all x belongs to a to b, then what we can say? Integration a to b fx into dx is always less than integration a to b gx into dx is always less than integration a to b hx dx. This will come. Okay, for example, if I take a to b, so here we can take what? This is y equal to fx, this one is what? Y equal to gx, and this one is what? Y equal to hx. So you can see that this one will tell this area, okay, and this one will tell what? This complete area, and this one will tell what? This one area. So here what we can say that y equal to hx. So here area is what? Greater than this one, and this one area is what? Greater than this one. So from here we can say this one. Okay.